Some cars are designed to impress. Others are designed to last forever. And today, we're looking at the rebirth of a true automotive icon, the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster. A modern interpretation of one of BMW's most legendary roadsters, blending timeless beauty with cutting-edge performance and technology. This is not just the car. This is heritage reborn for the modern era. Let's take a closer look. Starting at the front, the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster stays true to its legendary roots while introducing modern precision. The iconic BMW kidney grille sits low and wide, finished in gloss black with subtle chrome accents, giving the car a confident yet elegant face. The round LED headlights are a direct tribute to the original 507, but now feature modern LED elements that provide both improved visibility and a futuristic signature. The sculpted hood flows smoothly toward the windshield, emphasizing the car's long, powerful proportions, a hallmark of classic roadster design. Everything here feels intentional, clean, and timeless. From the side, the proportions are absolutely perfect. The long hood, low roofline, and short rear deck create that unmistakable roadster silhouette enthusiasts love. Behind the front wheels, the classic side air vents return, reimagined with modern precision while honoring the original design. The car sits on modern performance wheels, finished in black, giving it a more aggressive and contemporary stance. With the roof down, the 507 becomes a pure open-air machine, elegant, athletic, and unmistakably special. At the rear, the design remains clean and powerful. The wide rear stance enhances stability while giving the car a muscular presence. The slim LED taillights provide a modern lighting signature without disrupting the classic design language. Chrome bumper accents reinforce the heritage inspiration, while the quad exhaust outlets hint at serious performance. And the subtle 507 badging reminds everyone, this isn't just any BMW. This is a legend. Inside, the cabin perfectly balances classic styling with modern luxury. Premium black and red leather seats create a sporty yet refined environment. The dashboard features a clean, driver-focused layout with modern controls integrated seamlessly into a timeless design. Ambient lighting, high-quality materials, and precise craftsmanship make the interior feel both luxurious and performance-focused. This is a cabin built for drivers, not just passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster is expected to feature a powerful 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Expected performance figures include around 500 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.8 seconds, top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Combined with BMW's advanced suspension and perfectly balanced chassis, the result is a driving experience that feels both powerful and precise. This car isn't just about speed, it's about connection. As a premium heritage model, the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster is expected to start around $150,000 to $180,000 US. Production will likely be limited, making it highly desirable among collectors and enthusiasts. The official release is expected in 2026, marking the return of one of BMW's most iconic roadsters. The 2026 BMW 507 Roadster proves that true automotive legends never fade. It combines classic beauty, modern performance, and timeless design into one extraordinary machine. This isn't just a revival, it's a masterpiece reborn. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive legends brought back to life.